Thigmotropism and phototaxis. Positive thigmotropism. Tropism is the biological term meaning directional growth response, and thigmo is a prefix that comes from the Greek word for touch. If something is said to be positive, it is attracted to the stimulus, in this case the source of pressure. Therefore, thigmotropism is growth in response to pressure. Vines are an example of positive thigmotropism. Vines develop tendrils which coil around surrounding objects for support. The touched cells of the tendrils produce a plant hormone called auxin, which causes the cells to elongate. As this hormone is transported to the untouched cells of the tendrils, it causes the movement of the cell growth to grow around the nearby object, thus wrapping itself around it. But why? By wrapping itself around, the plant receives structural support. This allows the plant to minimize the energy output required for a self-supporting stem, while maximizing the absorption of sunlight due to the increased height gain. This is the feedback system for positive thigmotropism in vines. As you can see, the tendrils are the detector, the nucleus is the processor of the detected information, the produced auxin is the effector, and as a response, the vines wrap around the support structure. Positive phototaxis. So what is it? Taxis is the biological term for movement response. Photo refers to light, and again, positive means attracted to the stimulus, in this case the source of light. Therefore, phototaxis means movement in response to a light stimulus. Moths are an example of positive phototaxis. Moths have what is called apposition eyes, which are complex eyes located side by side. Their facet lens, together with its crystalline cone, channels light into their rhabdom, which contains the photoreceptors. Moths are known to be positively phototactic. They are charmed by any source of light, even campfires, which result in their death. There is no definitive explanation as to why this is, but there are some interesting theories. As some moths are known to migrate, it is believed that a moth's navigation and up or down orientation might also depend on the brightness of the sky relative to the ground. Some scientists suggest that moths use the moon as their primary reference point and have the ability to calibrate their flight path and the moon as the moon moves across the sky due to the Earth's rotation. So a moth's attraction to artificial light therefore leads to disorientation, as the moth isn't expecting to actually reach the moon, nor is it expecting to be able to fly above it, thus results in one very confused moth. This is the feedback system for a positive phototaxis in moths. As you can see here, to the left is a small diagram of the structure of a moth's eye, and beneath is the feedback loop. Where light is the stimulus, retinosensory cells are the processors, the rhabdom is the effector, and in response the moths fly towards the source of light.